The 10 most popular herbs for health, and why they have this status. Ceremoniously handed the title Most Popular Herbs for Health, these 10 powerful herbs are chosen for their effective therapeutic benefits in treating common ailments affecting a wide cross-section of people. The high demand for these herbal treatments also ensures that they are readily available on shelves and in online stores. Herbs have been around and in use since our ancient predecessors and were the only source of treating ailments. In those days they were called restoratives and rejuvenators. They were successfully used in restoring balance, homeostasis, helping the body adapt to stress, supporting natural body processes, and used as blood purifiers. Described as aromatics, herbs are known for their distinctive smell. They are non-woody plants with foliage used as medicine or seasoning. To this day herbs are one of the most controversial in medicine. They are not as tightly regulated and rigorously inspected as pharmaceuticals. Despite the disquiet in science communities about them, herbs for health continue to be a trillion-dollar global industry. Here we present the 10 most popular herbal, dietary, supplements, extracts, and tonics. 1. Saw Palmetto, Serenoa repens. This herb is a primary treatment aid for enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hypertrophy, BPH. Other uses include diuretics, colds, sore throat, bronchitis, migraines, and as an aphrodisiac. 2. Valerian root, Valeriana officinalis. Highly recommended to treat symptoms of anxiety, its sedative effects are said to exist because of its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, psychotic effect, and as a possible mechanism for its effectiveness. 3. Yucca root, Yucca schidigera. This herb is commonly used for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The steroidal saponins are extracted as starters in the production of steroid drugs. 4. St. Johns Wart, Hypericum perforatum. Commonly used for mild to moderate depression, it is known to raise mood levels and also gives the added benefit of supporting immune system function. 5. Milk thistle, Silybum marianum. Used most often for liver cell regeneration. Liver disorders result in jaundice, hepatitis, and cirrhosis of the liver. Milk thistle is at the top of the list of herbs for health known to detoxify the liver. 6. Horsetail, Equisetum arvense. This herb is usually recommended in conditions that cause fluid retention. It helps primarily in edema, cystitis, and kidney and bladder stones. 7. Hawthorn Berry, Crataegus oxyacantha. A widely used cardiotonic, the extract is said to be useful as an adjunct therapy for heart failure. Its powerful antioxidant properties are said to be the reason for its effectiveness. 8. Golden seal, Hydrastis canadensis. A wonder herb, its uses are many. Primarily recommended for skin conditions, eczema, psoriasis, it is also effectively used as a treatment for conditions requiring antibiotic and antifungal properties. 9. Ginseng, Siberian. Used as an adaptogen, protective against stress, as well as to improve brain function, lower cholesterol, and enhance cardiovascular function. Ginseng, Korean, is also an adaptogen, primarily used as a tonic for tiredness and weakness, and to strengthen the central nervous system. 10. Echinacea, Echinacea pupurea. Widely used to fight infections, especially the upper respiratory tract. This herb also acts as a blood purifier and antibacterial and antiviral agent. Echinacea is one of the suggested herbs for health in the treatment of common skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. These top 10 herbs for health synchronize well with our bodies. When selecting your dietary supplements, choose from verified retailers to ensure you are receiving the highest quality products with expert guidance on the recommended dosage. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.